Alright, so this is my first video on YouTube, and I'm just basically gonna start doing like tutorials in GameMaker. Now the first thing I'm gonna be doing is how to make a movement script or make your player move. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to have a sprite that is basically each position of your character going downwards, going left, going right, and going up. Now to do this you want to create a new sprite and edit the sprite, and then you want to go to file and create from a strip, or if you have a PNG photo of it you can create it from a file or add from file. When you create from strip you can go and get your PNG, like my character right here. Yeah, I can't seem to find them, but so basically you click from strip and then you pick one. I'm just gonna use one of the building scripts that I have, like for say this one, and you want to take this little block and you want to match the exact image width and height to whatever you're trying to get. For say this chimney, this block would perfectly work with it. But usually if you have an image sprite, it's going to be a walking animation, and you want to take every picture, and you want to have the amount of pictures that you're having in the images and per row. So that's basically how you get each one of those. I'm not going to save this because I already have my character. So once you have your sprite, you want to turn it into a object by right clicking on object and creating an object. When you create the object, you're going to want to name it OBJ Fighter or Fighter, like I just named mine right there. And you're going to want to select how your character is going to be looking, and the way mine looked was straight down. So I set it to the down animation. So when he stands, he's just looking down. And now I'm obviously not going to need that because I already have my own character, and this is him. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do a movement script. Maybe later on I'd be showing you guys how to use all this stuff that I have. But so this is my movement script that I have right here. Now I'm going to paste this in the description below so you guys can just copy and paste it. Now you guys aren't going to get that because that's the death script, and I will be doing that later. But so I'm basically going to explain it. So it's basically saying if you press W, it's going to make him move. And in the script you're going to want to change things such as this one. You're going to want to change this one to the fighter or whatever your character name is for going up, the sprite name. And mine was FighterUp, so I selected FighterUp right there. And then these, you don't have to necessarily use these right here. They are basically if you want to make an object solid. So you can make as many as you want. For instance, this one, I'm making a wall in a house that I have a solid. And that's in each one of these for going up, down, side, left, and right. So for this one, it's obviously left, and you're going to want to change this one, and maybe take this out if you don't want to do it right at this moment. And for this one, obviously change this one change this, and then at the bottom down here it's saying if you're not pressing anything, it's going to make the image not move at all, and it's also going to make basically it not do anything. It's just going to stand still. So then you want to click OK, and you're also going to make sure that you have your player variables. You're going to need these two variables, which will be down in the description below. And this is saying how fast you can walk. So if you would like to change how fast your character is going to be able to walk, you do that. You change that up or down. And image speed, don't change that. It's basically making it so your character doesn't just keep moving like this. Like just doesn't make sure it doesn't keep moving. And once you've done that, you're going to want to make a room, and if you place your character and he has the variables and that script on him, you should be able to get something like this. something a little bit like that, where he moves up, down, and he animates. See? Now, if you guys would like to see how I animated everything like this and created this world, made those health potions and ammo crates, and made the screen full, I may make a video on that at a later time. And if you guys enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment,